माधवी नाटक बहुत अच्छा लगा और उसमें सबसे अच्छी बात ये थी कि देयर वाज ऑल एक्शन एंड ड्रामा इज बेसिकली एन एक्शन. Nowadays the plays are speaking more and action is less. It was a very well done drama and the heroine Madhavi was excellent and she reminded me of Meena Kumari's dialogue delivery. She had the same intensity and the same way she delivered the dialogue. Kudos to her.
Yeah, I think it was a fantastic storyline, and the atrocities that women have to go through for men's command. I don't know what is the word for it in English, but that woman has to sacrifice a lot. But at the end, she was the winner. She took a very strong decision for herself. Really admired it.
और जो सेकेंड राजा का जो किया था, जो चिंतकले पे आके जो आया था बंदा, उसने कमाल किया था, जो एक उस पर घुमा डाला था प्लेन. क्लासिकल प्लेन में ऐसा देखने को मिलता नहीं.
I must say, very rich story, very good acting and amazing. No words to say. It's the film something like different.
लेखक की तो प्रशंसा हम कर ही सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरीके से एक्टर्स उस स्टोरी को स्टेज पे लेके आए, जिस तरीके से म्यूजिशियंस ने उनकी एक्टिंग को सपोर्ट किया और जिस तरीके से पूरा प्ले डायरेक्ट किया गया, मुझे दिल से बहुत अच्छा लगा ये प्ले देख के.
The acting that they did was really phenomenal and everyone was everything was just perfect. Like, it didn't seem that we are seeing something physically in front of our eyes. It was just as we are watching a movie. It was so good. And I really liked the show, and the best part was their acting and their, so what they did and what they spoke, everything, and the words, the Hindi words, and the clarity in their voice was really very great. That's what I liked the most. I can say that the show was so touching. Even the actress who played Madhvi, she really conveyed her tragic and her emotional trauma very best. We can really feel that in a very woman-centric way, but it was very nice journey to see how she was suffering, and I really like this. They have put everything together with all their emotions, and I like that they have played some part comedy to maintain the balance between this two, because it was too unnecessary.
Yes, I think everybody has worked very hard. I mean, what I could read and understand is that it was a very hard working place. They were very were dedicated.
जो हमारी माधवी जी हैं उन्होंने तो क्यों ला ही नहीं.
This was one of the best plays that I have watched. All the characters, the lead characters were brilliant, okay? But, I mean, even if I keep aside the lead characters, I mean, every character played their role in a beautiful way. The emotions flowed very, very well. The flow of the play was absolutely impeccable. I think brilliant play. I would like to watch more of it. Anytime you are welcome to Delhi.
जैसा प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ वो बहुत अच्छा था. मैं खुद भी एक थिएटर आर्टिस्ट हूँ, so I understand the efforts behind the entire production, and the music was really good, the lighting was very good, and of course the direction and all the actors were wonderful.
और म्यूज़िक का तो बहुत ही लाजवाब था, खास करके जो लास्ट सीन माधवी ने किया है, इट्स वंडरफुल. और गालब तो बहुत अच्छा था ही, बाकी टीवी अच्छी थी, लेकिन लास्ट सीन बहुत ही कमाल था.
जी, अभी ये नाटक माधवी देखकर निकला हूँ और सही बताऊँ तो अभिभूत हूँ, और बहुत ही सुंदर नाटक था. संगीत का पक्ष बहुत मजबूत था. जो मेन कैरेक्टर इसमें माधवी का दिखाया है, जैसे गौरी जी कर रही थी, उसने बहुत छुआ. नाटक बहुत सारे देखे हैं, लेकिन उनकी डायलॉग डिलीवरी वगैरह, उनकी टाइमिंग और साथ में जो उन्होंने भावों का जो संयोजन किया, सुंदर, बहुत ही सुंदर था. नाटक के निर्देशक को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं ऐसा सुंदर नाटक पेश करने के लिए. धन्यवाद.
काफ़ी मैच्योर एक्टिंग लगी, लाइट म्यूज़िक, और सबसे प्यारी बात है लाइव म्यूज़िक था, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सूदिंग था, और बहुत ही अच्छे कलाकार, बहुत ही अच्छे म्यूजिशियंस थे.
अखंड मंगलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
प्ले जिसमें इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग था, इसमें वुमेन का रोल बहुत बढ़िया किया. थैंक यू सो मच, एंड आई एम थैंकिंग द डायरेक्टर एक्चुअली, अभिषेक शर्मा. बहुत बढ़िया प्ले किया. थैंक यू सो मच अगेन.